Hi friends, I'll tell you a story behind this okra soup, okay? Okay, so just come close, let me tell you a story. So, on this fateful day, I came back, I was super hungry, not just because I was hungry, I was craving for an okra soup that has no vegetable, but it has so many yummy things. So I started having so many ideas in my head. I imagined some of the proteins that would be inside the okra soup. I was like, okay, enough of this imagination, enough of this la 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 okra soup. So I came back, I looked into my fridge, I tried to make it happen with what I have. So I just blended some, pepper mixed with onions and everything. So I just started frying just a little small pot of soup of okra that I wanted to make to quench that disturbing and annoying craving that I was just having that particular evening. Okay, so I had some basa fish steaks. I kind of, grilled them. So I added, again, remember, I wanted it to happen. My body just couldn't settle to take any other thing apart from that okra soup that I had in my imagination. So I wanted to bring my imagination to life. So the okra I had, I just roughly, processed it. So if you can see me in the video here, so I've added the okra to the soup base, and again I added some of the pepper mix with onions and crayfish and stuff like that. So before this time, I had some cowhide that you can see I added in the stir fry. Added some catfish, some basa steaks. I turned it was beginning to look like what I had imagined. I'm like, oh wow. So I now did my fufu, my special fufu. If you want to know how I do my fufu is not the regular fufu. Tell me in the comment section, then I'll make a different video. And that is it. This was so yummy. It was just one small pot of okra soup, and I ate to my satisfaction. You see, you imagine it, you believe it, and then you receive it. I had my favorite no vegetable okra soup, and I ate to my satisfaction. Guys, it was so yummy. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click that red button that shows subscribe, leave me a comment and share. Bye bye.